Looking for device customization? Emdoor delivers it right. Welcome to Emdoor Modification Workshop. Every day, more than 400 customized devices are completed here. This is Emdoor Information's newly established customization workshop. Today we'll show you how a customized device goes from order to shipment. First, all devices awaiting modification are organized in the staging area and processed according to the production schedule. Need a barcode scanner? A different interface? Our engineers complete all required hardware modifications here. From collecting components to disassembly, assembly, and verification, every step is carefully carried out. But hardware customization is only part of the process. Next is the software flashing and testing area. These professional flashing stations can deploy software to hundreds of devices at once, followed by software configuration and functional testing by our engineers. Software customization is a key part of our tailored solutions. This is the quality inspection area. For every 10 devices, 3 undergo full functional testing. The display, speaker, buttons, ports, and all key functions are inspected and signed off by our engineers. Finally, we arrive at the finished goods area. After passing inspection, each device is packed, labeled, and prepared for shipment. With our dedicated modification workshop and end-to-end customization services, Emdoor Info builds rugged devices tailored to your exact needs. That's it for episode 01 of the Emdoor Modification Workshop. See you next time!